Let me start with a question. Imagine waking up one morning with a land and business that you always relied on just swallowed by the flood overnight. Guys, don't get scared. You are not facing this problem. But this became the present bitter reality for thousands in Manitoba during the Red River flood in 2022, which caused infrastructure, agricultural, and business damage over 815 million Canadian dollars. But here is the bigger picture. This flood did not just expose our vulnerability to climate change, it highlighted the urgent need for adaptive infrastructure and workforce resilience. Today, I discuss how Manitoba can turn such challenges into opportunity for a stronger and more prepared future. The flood left deep scars in Manitoba's economy. Agricultural loss exceeded over 300 millions, while damages in Winnipeg reached over 51 millions. Business were closed, incomes were disrupted, and workers were threatened, most of all in agriculture and construction. It is predicted that future damages of 3.5 to 4 billion will occur if no proactive measures are taken. Figure 192 highlights flooding in Manitoba despite existing flood to Winnipeg, emphasizing the need for a stronger solution. Resilience is the key both in infrastructure and the workforce. Thus, building a new floodway from Morris to what is La Prairie in Figure 3 can significantly reduce flood risks, create over 500 construction jobs, and provide permanent operational roles. Similarly, workforce training programs will equip workers to handle climate-related disruptions, ensuring quicker recovery and long-term stability. This two-part strategy, proactive infrastructure and adaptive workforce planning, can secure Manitoba's economic future. The 2022 flood was more than a wake-up call. It was a test of our resilience by investing in flood mitigation and workforce development. We can safeguard livelihoods, reduce economic loss, and transform disaster into opportunity. Together, let's build a resilience Manitoba that thrives. Thank you.